Guys, I just saw a male peacock. I have not seen it quite a long time here, but today I saw it. It's I it's out there. It's out there. If I make noise, then it will go away. So guys, today I am here not to capture any specific subject like I always capture birds or butterflies or insects. I today just came to enjoy the nature. Actually the sky is cloudy now, but I hope it will be clear. And yes, I will like to enjoy the nature for a few minutes. I will sit and relax and hear the sound of birds. And yes, there are so many birds here, and this place is full of nature. You can see around, and there is a small lake, and there are some birds. Dogs are there, and yesterday I came here and I saw these birds, and they are very much beautiful. And the funniest part is in few times they just jump over the water, and that scene is very much interesting. And yes, I will try to capture that moment for you, and I will try to show you all the things I am seeing here, though you cannot enjoy it fully sitting at your home, but still I will try my best to show you what I am seeing. There are so many beautiful flowers here, and yes, let's get started. Those who do not know me, I am Prasanta, and I have my channel Visual Impression. Here I post my work, my videos related to nature, related to photography, related to birds, butterflies and all. So yes, let's enjoy. Okay, guys, there is a common sailor butterfly is there, and when it is morning, usually butterflies open their wings and rest on a leaf, so that the sunlight will be on their body, and the whole the night the moistures and the water vapors are always means what you say being there on their body, so they just want to be open their wing and relax. When the sunlight will fall upon their wings, then the moisture or whatever water drops are there in their body, it will vanish. So let me show you the butterfly. actually too close. They hate human. They never like to come any close to human being, and due to that they go too far away. If I am sitting here, they are the other side of the pond or lake, whatever it is. So this one came little bit closer, so I shoot a video of it. I'm waiting for that water jump, so let's hope if it is. Can you hear? It's a peacock. It's a peacock. A peacock is there, but I don't know if I can see it. Let's try. But first I will sit here at the beautiful lakeside, and this is a beautiful morning and the sky is getting clear, and I hope there will be some sunlight, and yes, I will try to capture the video of the duck jumping over the water. Let's hope for the best. Dogs here, they are moving here and there, but they are not giving me that move. Just now I saw a Brahmini kite just flew away, and got some pictures of it, but those are not that clear because that flew away like suddenly, and I was concentrating on the dogs here. So, as I told you earlier, like butterflies, birds also like to warm up in the fresh sunlight, and here I can see there are a couple of birds. Some sandpipers are there, and some jacana, and some lapwings are there also, and some egrets and herons are there. Just at the opposite side of the pond, they are sitting there and relaxing. So uh, here I'm waiting and watching those birds with my binocular. It's also a Nikon binocular. It's very good and sharp. It's 15x zoom, and yeah, I like to watch birds and butterflies. Sometimes I do also astro with it. I see craters of moon and Jupiter's satellites also with this binocular. So yes, and so these birds are sitting here and relaxing. I'm I'm also doing the same here actually. I have, as I told you, I have no targeted shoot today. I am here to relax and enjoy the nature. But still, I'm waiting for those ducks to uh, jump over the water. I could not see it till now. Maybe because I'm here. So these birds are very human sensitive. They do not like human around. So I'm not moving. I'm just sitting here and respecting their distance. So yes, let's wait if it is possible today, and then I will capture and show you guys. Otherwise, another day I will show you. You see that? It's a beautiful water, but as you see here, it is written GT. Yes, it's from my company. They gifted this bottle to me. I love black color, and it's written here the company name. So yeah. Oh, just now I saw the bird. It jumped, but unfortunately I'm carrying bottle, not the camera. So let's carry the camera and get to action. Well guys, I just saw a male peacock. So guys, that's it. I think I need to go. I don't think the birds will do that water jump move for me today, because I'm here and they're scared of me. And I think with respecting their privacy, I need to run from here. I will come another day and I will try to document that for you, but I have seen that so many times and it's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, see you on another video with some more beautiful and amazing content. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, and please let me know if you like my video, and if you have any other suggestions, comments, please share those with me. I will try my best to add those to my videos. Bye bye.